Most SwiftUI tutorials teach one small feature as asked all different types of questions using the AI and how to create a class you can use where you have to select the right answer. So instead of stitching together, before we start building, I've added a free complete SwiftUI project. Firestore can overwrite your newest data. Let's stop it. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new function called upload study plan items. Study plan items have a simple sync shape. For this model, the key remote state is whether the item has been completed. The next function we need to create is called upload messages. I'll just copy and paste that from the clipboard. Messages are stored in their own collection instead of being embedded inside sessions. That keeps the sync model flatter and avoids rewriting an entire session every time for one message change. We can now upload study plan items and messages to Firestore using version rights without blindly overwriting new cloud data, but uploading is only half of a real sync system. Next, we'll merge quiz results and quiz progress back into SwiftData so users can continue across devices without losing their answers. Subscribe so you don't miss the next part.